Hey guys, this is Saifuddin Ghanizada. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear the cache of Microsoft Outlook 2013. But first, intro. Welcome back guys. In order to clear the cache of Microsoft Outlook 2013, open Outlook, click on File, then click on Options, click on Mail, navigate to Send Messages option, click on Empty Auto Complete List, click on Yes, click OK, close Outlook. That's all. The cache of Microsoft Outlook is now cleared. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends in order to add it to their knowledge. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Thank you.